friend. You're looking good for the shape you're in. I know how you hated sad goodbyes, amen. So I'm not going to cry. With the sun shining down on your face, here in this beautiful place, with the sky so blue there up high, I'm not going to cry. Tonight I'll drink too much and raise a little hell. I'll laugh and carry on and feel sorry for myself. Probably watch the sunrise and then do something else. I'm not going to cry. With the sun shining down on your face, here in this beautiful place, with the sky so blue there up high, I'm not going to cry. In a week or so they'll give your shoes and some other things away. They'll probably have a yard sale on a Saturday. Time goes by, and memories fade.
Oh, wow.
I'm not going to cry. With the sun shining down